In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to open apps, then go to the settings. Now find and select wallpaper, and here choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from album, live wallpapers, photos, or Xperia wallpapers. I will pick, for example, Xperia wallpapers. And here you got all the options. So let me apply, for example, this one, and then just tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally, you need to decide if you want it to cover your home screen only, your lock screen, or home and lock screen. Let me pick home and lock screen, and this is it. So that would be all. That's how you can change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.